So here we have Shoreline Bliss. This is another one of our Christmas slimes. So it comes with glow-in-the-dark themos of beachy themes, shells and flowers. And it comes with a sand color base. And then it's filled with blue icy slime. And it comes with one glittery 1 ounce syrup. And I love cloud slimes. But this, oh my god, it reminds me of going out with my family to the beach. It's such a good memory for me and it gives so many summer vibes. So this is one of our Christmas slimes. And yeah, I recommend it for beginners and it's such a great texture. It doesn't stick to your clothes or anything. And look at that drizzle. It's amazing for drizzles and everything. I really had fun with the slime. It was such a nice texture and it was a nice break from the thin glossies. So I give the slime a 10 out of 10 on my list.